Good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss about comparing fractions. There are two methods by which you can compare fractions. One is by cross multiplication method, another is by taking LCM method. This first method is used to compare only two fractions, but by taking LCM method you can compare two fractions or a group of fractions. Today we'll only discuss about cross multiplication method. In the next class I will be telling about taking LCM method. See, suppose two like fractions are given to you. Let me take 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. As you see, as the denominators are same, here to compare these two fractions you have to see the numerators. Now see, out of 7 3 is more or out of 7 5 is more. Obviously 7 में से 5 ज़्यादा है. So this fraction is greater and you can use this smaller than sign. The first fraction is smaller than the second one or the second one is greater than the first one. You remember the crocodile's mouth, it always opens towards the bigger number. Next, this is about like fractions, how to compare. It is easy, you only have to see the numerator. But if you have been given unlike fractions, you see the denominators are not same. So how to compare them? The easiest method is cross multiplication method. As you see, cross multiplication, you have to use a cross sign. See, two fractions are given, for example 2 by 5 and 9 by 10. You have to compare them. Now you have to use cross multiplication sign. So use this and this. This is not multiplication sign, this is the cross sign. Here you give one arrow mark, here give arrow mark. This arrow mark indicates you have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction and the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन. यानी इसके न्यूमरेटर को दूसरे के डिनोमिनेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है और पहले वाले के डिनोमिनेटर को दूसरे वाले के न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एंड एज दिस पाथ इज शोन, यू मल्टीप्लाई 10 2s, you write the product over their head and circle it. Then 5 9s are 45 and then encircle it. Now you see the trick is, see the highest product, which is the highest one, 20 और 45. 45, so जिसके सर के ऊपर या जिस साइड बड़ा प्रोडक्ट होगा वो वाला फ्रैक्शन बड़ा है. So now you see 45 is greater than 20 and 45 is over the fraction 9 by 10. That means 9 by 10 is greater. So you write, as this is greater, you have to also show the multiplication. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20 and 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. हमें ये बस ऐसे ही लिखना है because this is the process, but you can know the answer from here only. ये बड़ा है तो this side greater, so you can write the last line. Therefore 9 by 10 is greater than 2 by 5. So easy. Now let us come to the second example. Suppose you have been given one mixed number and a fraction, improper fraction or a proper fraction. Then how to do? You have to proceed the same way. First you have to convert into improper fraction. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2, and the second one is 5 by 4. Now write the cross sign, and 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. तो किसके सर के ऊपर बड़ा नंबर है? 3 4s are 12 is greater. So इस साइड के पास बड़ा प्रोडक्ट है, so 3 by 2 is greater. So you just write 3 4s are 12, 2 5s are 10. Therefore 3 by 2 is greater than 5 by 4. Example 3. If you have been given two mixed numbers, see, first you have to compare the whole number part. You see, it has 2, it has 3. So obviously 2 whole part is greater or 3 whole part is greater? 3 is greater. So यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं करके directly you can write as 3 is greater than 2. So this is the second one is greater. But if two mixed numbers are there but their whole number parts are same, 2 whole 1 by 3, 2 whole 1 by 2, means पूरा 2 होके कुछ पार्ट फिर 2 पूरा होके कुछ पार्ट. So this one you have to convert into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5/2. Then same way 7 2s are 14, 3 5s are 15. So किसके पास है बड़ा नंबर? This 5/2 has greater number on its side. So 5/2 is greater than 7/3. So therefore 5/2 is greater than 7/3. Or you may write 7/3 is less than 5/2. क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ ओपन रहेगा बड़े की तरफ. So this is the way you have to compare two unlike fractions.